Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 20th of July 2020. Let's have imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi herself always lived in deep experiences of yoga, and Amritwala especially she used to doing drill in meditation, and it organized for everyone. Togetherness with while doing karma, she would draw attention to her stay in yoga. In order to run the yajna unabashedly, Didi used to inspire for the power of silence through special loveful language in between them. Let's start invaluable versions of God Shiva. Sweet children, become free from bondage and remain busy in service. Because you can earn a huge income through this service, you become the masters of paradise for 21 births. Question: which habit should each one of your children instill in yourself? Answer: to explain points of the Murli, if your Brahman teacher goes somewhere, it should be possible to hold class among yourselves. If you do not learn how to conduct class, how would it be possible to make others become like yourselves? It should not become confused without your teacher. This study is simple. Continue to keep the class going because practice is also required. Song: look at your face in the mirror of your heart, oh man. Essence for Dharana. First point: remove the old habits of jealousy, etc. that you have within yourself and stay together with a lot of love. Don't stop studying because of jealousy. Second point: renounce all awareness of your old and decayed body. Become like a buzzing moth and buzz this knowledge to others and do the service of making them become like yourself. Become busy in this spiritual business. Blessing: may you be a charitable soul who completely fills souls with all treasures with the support of the authority of the Almighty. Description: those kings, those who had desires after the Copper Age, had the full authority of giving donations and charity. And with the full power of their authority, they could make anyone whatever they wanted. In the same way, you great donor, charitable souls, have received the special authorities directly from the Father to become conquerors of matter and conquerors of Maya. On the basis of your thoughts, you can enable any souls to forge your relationships with the Father and completely fill them with all treasures. Simply use this authority in an accurate way. Slogan: when you celebrate completion and perfection, time, matter and Maya will then bid you farewell. Om Shanti.